Hello students, welcome to this ICT Grade 9 learning session on computer operations and fundamentals. Today we will investigate a few troubleshooting techniques. This video lesson will cover what troubleshooting means, how to troubleshoot some common computer problems, then we will have a quick test followed by a recap of the lesson. What does troubleshooting mean? Troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving a problem in a computer system. There are different types of problems that you can encounter while using a computer system. Problems may be related to hardware or software. Some problems are easy to fix, while others may require many attempts. Troubleshooting will always be a process of trial and error, as different solutions may be tried. Now we will have a look at some common computer problems and how to troubleshoot them in order to find solutions. Of course, if you cannot find a solution after several attempts, you need to seek professional advice. One computer problem that you can encounter is that the computer does not start. First thing to do is to check whether the power cord is plugged securely into the back of the system unit and the power outlet. If the power cord is plugged in properly, we need to ensure that the power outlet is working. We can do so by plugging in another device such as a lamp. In case you are using a laptop, it is possible that the laptop battery may not be charged. Plug in the AC adapter and after a few minutes, try to switch the device on again. Another problem is the mouse or keyboard has stopped working. If you're using a wired mouse or keyboard, make sure it is correctly plugged into the system unit. If you're using a wireless mouse or keyboard, check whether you have plugged in the USB receiver. Also, you may try changing the batteries. Another computer problem that can occur is that you cannot hear any sound from the computer. Here firstly, check the volume level. Click the audio button in the bottom right corner of the screen to make sure that the sound is turned on, and increase the volume level. If you're using speakers, check the cables. Make sure the external speakers are plugged in, turned on, and connected to the correct audio port or USB port. What to do when you see that the computer screen has gone blank? The computer may be in the sleep mode. Move or click the mouse or press any key on the keyboard to wake it up. If the problem is not solved, check if the monitor is turned on. Depending on the model, you will see colored lights. If the monitor is off, switch it on. If you're using a desktop computer, make sure that the monitor cable is properly connected to the system unit and the monitor. Of course, all troubleshooting should be carried out under the supervision of an adult. Now let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned about troubleshooting today. Read the following questions carefully and answer accordingly. You will have a few seconds to give your answer. Number 1. The process of identifying and solving computer-related problems is called Option A, saving, Option B, printing, or Option C, troubleshooting. The answer is C, troubleshooting. Number 2. If the computer does not start, we need to check whether the power cord is connected properly. True or false? The answer is true. Number 3. If you cannot hear sound from the computer, check whether the keyboard is correctly plugged in. True or false? The answer is false. You need to check the volume level and also whether the speakers are connected to the computer system. Number 4. To wake up a computer from the sleep mode, press a key on the keyboard. True or false? The answer is true. Number 5. If the wireless mouse does not work, one solution is to Option A, press a key on the keyboard. Option B, change its batteries. Option C, check the power cord. The answer is B. If the wireless mouse does not work, one solution is to change its batteries. Dear students, this is the end of our quick test. I hope that you were able to get all the correct answers. Now it's time for a recap of today's lesson. Troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving hardware and software problems in a computer system. Some problems are easy to fix. Some problems will require several attempts. Troubleshooting will always be a process of trial and error. Several techniques may be used to find solutions. However, after unsuccessful attempts, professional advice is required. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you soon.